Today, we are sharing the top 5 reasons why plastic formwork could be the smartest choice for your construction project. Formwork is critical to every build. It supports and shapes your concrete structures until they're strong enough to stand on their own. And the material you choose, plastic, timber, or aluminium, can make a big difference in your project's speed, cost, and overall success. Still deciding? Here's why plastic formwork is becoming the top pick across the industry. Long-term cost savings. Plastic formwork is built to last. While traditional timber wears out quickly, plastic formwork can be used over 100 times without losing performance. Though the initial cost may be slightly higher, it pays for itself over time, saving on materials, labor, and repeat purchases. It's an investment that keeps delivering value. Lightweight and worker-friendly. Compared to timber and aluminium, plastic formwork is significantly lighter. That means easier handling, lower transportation costs, and reduced strain on workers. It's also much faster to set up and dismantle, saving precious labor hours. On large projects or high-rise buildings, this can also reduce risk of injury and fatigue. Less weight, faster builds, safer teams. A sustainable choice. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's essential. Plastic formwork is made from recyclable materials and has a much longer lifespan than alternatives. When it's finally time to retire, it can be melted down and reused again, minimizing waste. Build green, build smart. Weather resistant and durable. Construction doesn't stop for the weather, and neither does Nova's plastic formwork. It performs reliably in wet, humid, or extreme conditions, making it perfect for unpredictable climates. Unlike timber, it doesn't absorb moisture, so delays and damage are kept to a minimum. Precision and high-quality finishes. Plastic formwork provides consistent shapes and smooth surfaces, helping you achieve a premium finish with minimal extra work. Its precision allows for complex architectural designs and reduces the need for post-casting touch-ups. Flexible design means flawless execution. From cost efficiency and safety to sustainability and performance, plastic formwork is a powerful upgrade for modern construction. If you're looking to build faster, smarter, and more sustainably, plastic formwork is the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart and building tips. And if you're ready to upgrade your next project, consider making Nova Formworks your go-to solution.